Hello and welcome to Meandherafterkids. You know, there's 100 different manufacturers for these little suitcase 100-watt solar panels. So which one do you choose? I don't know, I can't tell you that. But what I can do, I've got 3 different manufacturers right here, and we're gonna plug it into this Predator and see which one does the best. Now, all fairness, I bought this Jackery solar panel about 2 years ago, and I've used it a lot. I've taken care of it, I've kept it clean, and it's only putting out around 40 watts. It's supposed to be 100 watt. And another bad thing about the Jackeries are you have to buy several different adapters for that to hook up to the Predator. I've got them, but it's only putting out 43 watts. Now we're going to try this Predator, which is married to this battery bank, and we're going to see how much that puts out. So in full alignment of the sun, this is putting out 83 watts. That one's doing an amazing job. This solar panel, MHPOWOS, MHPOWOS, this one was actually sent to me to try out, and I wanted to compare it with the other two. So we got 43, 83. This one has the same adapters that can go onto the Predator, not like the Jackery where you just plug it into the front. So we're fixing to plug this one in full sun and see what it does. I'll make sure it's at the same angle of the Predator. 66 watts. 43, 83, 66. All 3 are 100-watt solar panels. Yeah, 66 is the most I can get out of it. This is brand new. I've never used this before. Same sun, same angle. $81 watts. Best I can get is 43. It maintained 36. 81 to 83. Best I got out of the new one, which is the MHPOWOS, was 66. Like I said, that one was sent for me to review. I've had this one for 2 years. I've used this one twice. I think Predator 100-watt solar panel is a clear winner. I don't know, what do you think? How much do you get out of your 100-watt solar panels? This one right here is maintaining 81. Amazing. Well, I can't tell you which one to buy, but clearly I'm gonna be using that Predator more. The Jackery's been good. I think the most max, even brand new, I think I got maybe 65 out of that the first year I had it. Now, like I said, I can't get above 45 to 50. But there you have it. That's my review on them. Appreciate you hanging around. Always remember, leave it better than you found it. And if I don't see you on the trail, I'll see you down the road.